Welcome to Bossoleto hamlet. What if you could live in a 13th century Ligurian house just a few minutes from the sea? Today I'm delighted to show you this historical house that is full of character and a lot of charm. This beautiful historical house. As soon as you enter, you feel immediately the authentic atmosphere. Next to the living room, we find this spacious kitchen, perfect for everyday living. The kitchen connects directly to the outdoor space, creating a natural flow between the interior of the house and the garden. Planted with olive tree and fruit tree and surrounded by greenery, it offers a peaceful outdoor space ideal for relaxing, dining outside or enjoying the mild Ligurian climate. There is also the possibility to build a swimming pool, which would further enhance this beautiful property. Moving upstairs, we reach the sleeping area. All the floors of the house are connected by a private internal elevator, a rare feature for historical Ligurian property. This is one of the most elegant parts of the house, when we reach this beautiful master bedroom with this bathroom en suite. Here we find 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, offering comfort and privacy for family and guests. Some rooms still feature beautiful original exposed wooden beams, highlighting the authentic character of this historical residence. The attic level offers an additional bedroom with bathroom and access to the terrace with open view over the Ligurian landscape. At the lower ground floor, the property also includes a garage for 2 cars and a spacious tavern, ideal as a hobby room, relaxation area, or entertainment space. One of the strengths of this property is the location. It's very close to the sea and very close to Alassio. It's surrounded by greenery. Would you like to enjoy in a Ligurian historical house? Let us know in the comments.